I'm Sylvia Lopez.
And I'm Lena Wynn. We are now hearing the frantic 911 calls for help following a dangerous and deadly lightning strike in Venice Beach. The LA Fire Department has just released the emergency calls from that lightning strike that left one swimmer dead. KCAL 9's Greg Mills has the recordings that highlight the tense moments and desperate calls for help.
We need paramedics.
911 calls came quickly after that deadly lightning strike on Venice Beach, July 27th.
Oh my God.
The 911 calls were released today. We found from 2:20 p.m. to 2:24 p.m. that day, emergency operators were inundated with panic calls asking for help.
We need an ambulance.
A number of witnesses that day and today told us it wasn't just one bolt of lightning that hit here.
It kind of formed of a Y. So let's say if the beam came down, one came this way and the other one hit the water.
Lightning strikes from the pier south to the second lifeguard tower. Dennis Stein was working at Venice Beach Bike Rental that Sunday afternoon.
I've been here since I was young and I've never seen nothing like that ever in my life. It was really scary.
Lifeguards and paramedics tried to save 20-year-old Nick Fagnano.
There's a lifeguard already assisting the guy.
13 others were injured. People in restaurants on Washington said they felt it. Bicyclists stopped suddenly because of the shock they felt in the handlebars. Witnesses told us it was chaos immediately after the lightning strike. Parents racing to get their kids, lifeguards running to victims.
There's already lifeguards out there grounding people, but we need paramedics immediately.
One lifeguard who was off duty was injured by the lightning and hospitalized. We got word today he is now out of the hospital and recovering at home. In Venice Beach, Greg Mills, KCAL 9 News.